What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode we're not gonna be watching just any idiots. This time we're gonna be watching a lot of videos in supercars. So thank you very much for your amazing support, it really means a lot. And now with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, we are off to a great start. This is how to quick and easy remove a bumper from your Lamborghini Huracan. And here we have a McLaren 600 LT, I believe, acting like a submarine. He's trying to get to the Titanic. Or maybe the bro is just trying to get a boat license. And if that's the case, I think a Dodge Challenger would be a much better choice for that job. If you know what I mean. And now we all know what time it is. It's time for some speed and power, and into the wall he goes. And it's definitely safe to say that his driving skill couldn't handle that much power. I feel bad for that Lambo, it was a beautiful car. Oh, looks like we are right on time for some V12 barbecue. Even Gordon Ramsay would envy this. Or maybe he wouldn't. He definitely wouldn't, because he overcooked it. Now we can call this barbecue. Right, here goes another Lambo. Ooh, that was a mean sounding V10. But now it's time to unleash all of those angry Italian horsepower, and booyah, he went full Mustang. Oh, thread a needle now. Oh, I really hope that whacked the stupidity out of him. Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That hurts a little bit, but just a little bit, not much. Let's see here. Whack! Ooh, that Ferrari went full in. That was a 360 Stradale, I believe. Oh, listen to that mean sounding Hellcat, and once again it's time to deploy some speed. Oh, whatever you do, kids, never go full Mustang. It's never a good idea. And this is a Lamborghini Valentino Balboni edition. Very interesting car. And this guy is now like, buy a Lamborghini, they said. It will be fun, they said. But good thing there are always some good people willing to help. He probably ran out of fuel because he was committing way too many traffic violations. You know how it goes, you get carried away sometimes. Alright, unloading a P1 GTR, I believe this is. The price of this car is around 3 million. What can go wrong, really? Just take it easy, no pressure. Just another day at the office. Careful, back it up. Oh, that crunchy sound. That sounds like it's gonna be expensive. For sure. But anyways, let's see what is going on here. Oh, hello there, Glorified Beetle. Watch out. Check your mirrors, mate. And Glorified Beetle or not, I think they're the best supercar brand out there, for sure. From build quality to speed, everything is amazing. Just amazing. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Or even if you disagree, of course. Let me know what I think about the Porsche as a brand. Whoa, what happened here? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, looks like it's another Porsche.
Just watch.
Oh yeah, it's definitely another Porsche. Well, they make amazing supercars, if not the best, but they can't do anything about the drivers. It is what it is. Some of them are just bad, like this one here. Oh, an Aventador SVJ, amazing machine. And it looks like he decided to run away from the owner. Maybe it's not a good owner, who knows. Maybe he doesn't know how to drive, or maybe it's a transformer. We'll never know for sure. But anyways, we are moving on. Oh no, it's two Mustangs going full Mustang, watch out! That was close. That was an old Mustang teaching the new Mustang how to hunt the crowds. Careful, Corvette! He totally meant to do that, and now he's like, I'm gonna play along with it. Everything's under control, boys. Everything is fine. Hey, yo, bro, your car is on fire. No, that's just freedom coming out of my exhaust. That was, I don't know what the hell was that all about. Really, bro? Really? This is a Pagani Huayra, some version of it. I don't know exactly what version it is, but it's really expensive, that's for sure. And also some say these two are still stuck to this day. Oh, that's gotta be the best pirate I have ever seen. He's now calling 911. If you know what I mean. And by the way, how the hell he thought that was a good idea? I don't know. I would like to know the answer to that. Oh, just listen to that beautiful symphony. Power! Come on! Oh, no. Oh, That was not a 360 we wanted to see, but at least I hope they can repair that damage. Let's see here. One fun fact, that Lamborghini and the R8 from the previous video share the same engine, which is nice. But anyways, I digress. Let's see what's gonna... Ooh, he got love tapped from behind. He cut off that pickup truck. Oh, that's a lot of damage. That is a lot of damage. Taj će sigurno da dođe kod nas kao nov el podizači. But at least he's not running away, which is nice to see. Hey yo, Porsche, you got confused a little bit. That's not where you should be. That's not where you should be at all. Come on, come on, come home. Come home, you're grounded. No more fuel for you in the next 7 days. You hear me? Oh, this guy had a rendezvous with a guardrail. A lot of Porsches in today's video, for some reason. They make good cars, but drivers, some of the drivers are bad. That guy woke up, looked out of the window and said, "Yep, that's the perfect weather for my Ferrari. I'm gonna take it for a spin, it's gonna be fun." And look at these two. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here, just pushing my Lamborghini Aventador. You know, first world problems. Oh no, it's another Mustang. Careful, he's looking for a prey. Stand still, stand still. Whew! You got away this time, you got away. Just listen to this, just listen to this. Woo! Ooh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. The music for my ears. Oh, the police was like, if you cannot beat him, join him. Whoa, 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 brake, brake! Oof. Oh boy, I'm gonna be honest, I ran out of Mustang jokes. But it sounds good though. Hold it, and as expected, he lost control and into the wall he goes. Sliding into her DMs be like, "How you doing? Are you free tonight?" Car is right there. Oh no, another McLaren burning down. That is a sad sight. And the worst part about it, there's nothing you can do to help. Absolutely nothing. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's Supercar special. And if you did and you want to see more of this, please smack that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. Just don't go full Mustang like these guys. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.